And welcome to the Mr. Minju channel, your hub for smart digital marketing insights powered by AI. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for content creators and marketers alike: how to craft humanized AI-generated content that not only ranks high on search engines but also bypasses AI content detectors. First, let's define AI content creation. This is the process of using advanced tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or WriteSonic to generate text for blogs, social media posts, scripts, and more. These tools are incredibly efficient, producing content in seconds. But here's the catch: much of this AI-generated content can sound robotic, lacking the natural flow and personality of human writing. Moreover, platforms like Google and YouTube now employ AI detectors, such as Originality.ai or CopyLeaks, to identify and flag content that seems machine-made. So how do we overcome these challenges? Let's look at strategies that will help you humanize your AI content and make it undetectable. First, personalize your introduction and conclusion. Rewrite them in your own voice to ensure they resonate with your audience. Next, use tools like Quillbot or Grammarly to paraphrase sections of AI-generated text, effectively breaking the patterns that detectors often recognize. Incorporating personal stories, emotions, and opinions can also significantly humanize your content. These are elements that AI struggles to emulate. Additionally, vary your sentence length and tone to keep your writing natural and engaging. Finally, before publishing, use AI detection tools to evaluate your content and aim for a high human-like score. Now, let's talk about optimizing your AI content for SEO. Even the most humanized content won't perform well if it isn't optimized. Leverage tools like Surfer SEO or Ubersuggest to identify key phrases, structure your headings, and align with the intent behind users' searches. Your goal should be to create not just readable content, but valuable and actionable material that meets your audience's needs. And let's not forget about virality. AI tools can help you identify trending topics, craft compelling headlines, and repurpose content into multiple formats like short videos or social media posts. This multiplies your reach and enhances audience engagement. In summary, with the right techniques and tools, AI can be your ally in creating faster, smarter, and more impactful content. By humanizing AI-generated text, optimizing it for search engines, and making it engaging, you'll be able to connect with your audience more effectively while staying ahead in the digital landscape. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment with your favorite AI tool, and subscribe to Mr. Minju for weekly insights on AI-driven digital marketing strategies. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep creating smart and human.